Hey gang, Poppy here. Look what just arrived in the mail. I-GAGING, made in China. Something about maybe used to create wood chips and dust. May cause cancer. Okay. I guess if I hit a piece of wood with this hard enough, long enough, it'll make some wood dust. I tell you, sometimes I think the people in Sacramento are using drugs. And then, when I see legislators doing the stuff they do, oh yeah, they're using drugs. Here we go. On. Spin you over here, light. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? A tubing thickness caliper. Isn't it beautiful? Battery goes there. Okay. USB data port. And moves silky smooth. No gritty, no resistance, just functionality. Beautiful. Now, why did we get this, Poppy? People are asking. You know, people want to know. Even if it's none of their business, they want. Okay. See, the way it works here is I'm doing cylindrical grinding on my shear line lathe. I can measure the OD with my digital micrometer. I can measure an ID with my digital inside mic. I'm not too sure about the readings I get with fork style inside mic. So I figured that with a referenced measurement, if I know the diameter on the outside, right, the OD, if I'm having trouble measuring the dimension of the ID with a tubing micrometer or caliper, the thickness of the wall, knowing the OD, and having that as a reference, you can get a dimension for the ID. I call it referenced measurement. Anyway, here is the instructions that came. Wow, both sides. Absolute origin digital caliper, operating instructions and parts manual. That's funny. Well, this is a generic instruction sheet because The hamburger and the picture of the hamburger are slightly different in appearance. But it's a very nice tool.